Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Match the color of the passengers by dragging them from the platform to the square of the same color. That's the way! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Let's go find that toy! That's the way! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Super! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Excellent! Excellent! That was so much fun! Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to the Rolling Bridge. The Rolling Bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. I love that. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! Thanks for helping out! Choose a new toy!